Now the next chemical change which is taking place around us, we can observe in many things, in many iron articles, the rusting of iron. Rusting of iron causes damage to articles made of iron. Rusting of iron takes place due to reaction between iron, oxygen and water or water vapors. The reaction of rusting of iron is, now if you leave the iron article in atmosphere, in moisture, in air, so it will be rusted and a red colored substance is formed, that is called rust. Iron, oxygen, water, and iron will be converted to rust, and the rust is chemically called iron oxide. It is red in color. Rusting of iron can be prevented. How we can prevent rusting of iron, or how we can prevent the iron ornaments which we have in our houses? We can apply grease on ornaments. We can paint the iron articles and coating a layer of metal like zinc or chromium. So if you remember that when we bought a cooler in summer, we used to paint the cooler by oil paint. So why we are painting the cooler? We are painting the cooler to prevent it by rusting. So painting is the very easy process by which we can prevent the rusting of iron. The process of coating a layer of zinc or iron is called galvanization. It prevents rusting of iron. Now, crystallization. Crystallization is a physical change in which state of matter is changed. The liquid will be converted to solid. The process of obtaining large crystals of a pure substance from its solution is called crystallization. To prepare crystals of copper sulfate, take some water in a beaker, add a few drops of dilute sulfuric acid to it, heat the water. When it starts boiling, add powdered copper sulfate slowly and stir the solution till no more powder can be dissolved. Then filter the solution and allow it to cool. Crystals of copper sulfate are formed. So, to obtain the pure crystals of copper sulfate, we dissolve the copper sulfate in water and heat the water so that maximum amount of copper sulfate can be dissolved in water. Now, if we allow the solution to cool, then the fresh copper sulfate crystals may be separated like this. Copper sulfate powder dissolved in water, it is heated, then allowed to cool, and we obtain the copper sulfate crystal. So dear student, this is the your chapter 6 physical and chemical changes, and then this chapter is very easy to understand.